Let's see this. Yeah. I mean, $35. Hey, Glam Gods and Goddesses. I am Glam Goddess Jade. I am back with another hair review. Beep, beep, beep. Yay! Rainbows and unicorns and synthetic wigs. Anyway, y'all. You guys see this? Yeah. I mean, $35. $35? Come on. I mean, you can't beat it. This is a full lace wig, synthetic wig from wigtypes.com. Remember I said they're the holy grail of synthetic wigs. They are wonderful. Like, get on there, you see the wig. Sometimes they have reviews. They have a girl giving a video so you can see it in motion. Then they have all the colors. A lot of times they be sold out of the good colors, you know what I'm saying? But that's any website really. I mean, and then you get your stuff in like maybe 3-4 days. They be on it. Wig types be on it. Like, that's my go-to. Anyway, let's get into this wig. This wig is from Outre, and it is the melted hairline line. And it is a lace front wig. This one's called Liyana. Let's see, focus. Okay, Liyana, and this is in the color 1B. The color on here is, I want to say it's where is it? Where's the color? Oh, the color that's shown is DRFF4 / strawberry gold. So that's this color. I kind of want to try this color, but I found this wig from another YouTube page, and she slayed hers better than mine, because I guess she's experienced, honey, because hers look straight up like a human hair wig. But I really like this wig. I mean, okay, so far I've had it on for like 3 days. I'll wrap it up at night under my bonnet, and I wrap the edges with the silk scarf or whatever. And this is how she looks, and she's doing very well. Look at that. I plucked the hairline just a smidgen, like just a tiny bit, because I'm not really good at plucking yet. But I put some color on there, glued her down. This is how she looks. Like, come on. She's the perfect like length. The hair is very, very soft and flowy. I haven't any tangles, and I haven't any shedding. But it's not like ridiculous. I can still brushing through. This is what you're gonna get. These are the problems you're gonna get when you have a synthetic wig. So just know that. Let's see if I can show y'all how long it is. Yeah, I just did a haul, y'all. So I mean, what I love most about this wig is that it was super, super flat. Y'all know when y'all get them wigs, they be all hunched up right here. It'd be terrible. And you gotta curl and iron that shit down. Look, I ain't got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. This already was flat like this. Like, I mean, it was already flat. And then this wave pattern. This is cute. This might be one of the best synthetic wigs I've had so far. Like, the maintenance on it was just very low. Putting it on, it's just great. I think I could get another, maybe, depending on how long the glue stayed, I might be able to get another wig out of this. I mean, you know, if you take care of the wigs, they will take care of you. That should be a slogan. If you take care of the wigs, they'll take care of you. Anyway, y'all, this wig was a slay. Like, I just can't get enough. I put it in a ponytail. It just looks so natural. It's just so cute. But y'all get into this. I think I'm gonna get Liyana in another color, probably that strawberry gold color because she was cute. I might have to do that. But y'all, this wig, go buy this wig, y'all. Get into it. And y'all, if you want me to try a wig or something like that, please let me know. I am very open to different things. I love different colors. I love bright colors. I will try it for you and let you know how it is before you spend your coin. Okay? But yeah, so yeah, get her. She's a wonderful wig. She was like $33, I think. This $33, y'all. It fits very nice. I was a little worried when I first put her on because she's a little tight. So I wouldn't say this is big head girl friendly. But if you know what you're doing, you can make it work. I think she had a strap in the inside. I wonder if I made a video of the unboxing, which I don't think I did. Ooh, I gotta start doing that for y'all. Sorry, but she had a strap going in there to help, I guess, with grip and tightening. It's 2 combs up here in the front and then one big one in the back, I believe. By the time I post this, I'll be able to take the wig off. But yeah, this is, y'all get into this. I'm definitely gonna get probably another black one, and I'm gonna get one with some color, probably some blonde highlights, something, I don't know. But she's great. So okay, y'all. So look, y'all get this wig. I wouldn't tell y'all, anything less than, okay? This is a synthetic wig. It was $33. I don't think you can get any better than that. So once again, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Tell me how you feel about this wig, honey. Could you rock this? Could you really rock this? Like, come on. I think anybody can. I feel like it's versatile. Like, anybody can rock this and slay it. Cause this, yeah, she's cute. I didn't have to do nothing to her. See, look. We got a little bit of tangle. We got a little bit, but not too much. Look. Come on, y'all. Get this wig. So like, share, subscribe, and if we are here to hate, we're not here to love. No. We're here to love. We're here to love. We're not here to hate. If you are a miserable, trolling troll, please come from under your miserable, dirty bridge and go on top of the bridge and jump off and just leap to your doom, because this is a fat girl channel. This is a black girl magic channel. We don't need that here, okay? Nobody needs that. YouTube don't need that. Instagram don't need that. Facebook don't need that. Please keep your nasty, comments to yourself. If you can't give constructive criticism, we don't need it. Keep it. You can have that, sis or sir. Some of y'all be men. It'd be weird commenting on my stuff. It's weird. Anyway, love you guys. Bye. Till next time.
Ladies came back.